I'm in Japan and I just arrived yesterday. Of course, I always do this na first stop ko is headphone store. I'm here in Yodobashi Akiba in Akihabara. I always go here and test out new stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys what's inside here. Actually, sobrang dami niya. So I may not be able to show you all. Sa likod ko pa lang parang it's like 100 headphones. So I'm gonna go around and probably choose what to show you guys. And probably listen to headphones and also IEMs na rin. Final E's, dami nila. JVC, Pioneer, Audiotex, Zero Audio, Skull Candies, one more. Of course, some Sonys, nasa Japan tayo. Audiotex. Mura phones, look at this guys, it's a different headphone. I've always wanted to try this stuff. It kind of feels different on the ear compared to other headphones. Kaso lang walang sound, but it's kind of noise cancelling, so that's kind of cool. So para siya may, it's like there's a earphone inside. It's like a slight U shape, balanced sounding. Ganda ng tone. RHA T20, okay naman siya. Parang medyo muted lang for me, too dry for me. Nice to see TFZs here. Dami, oh, number 3, King 2, Queen, TFZ, Tequila. Ganda. Actually, first impression ko, I really like the My Love 2. Maybe a bit more than the T2, so I need to get this in the lab to test it further, but I do like the My Love 2, maybe more than the T2. Okay, how about the King Pro? 23, 12,000. Actually, in terms of sound, it's very TFZ, has some boominess at the bottom pero medyo dry siya sa taas. I do like the sound. It's more, again, kind of a warmish sound. Pero ito parang mas drier on top compared to the other TFZs. So it's more of an audiophile sound for me in the King Pro 2. Ito naman similar to the TFZ number 3 but a bit more dry. But it's also bassy. Definitely more bassy compared to the King Pro. So yeah, differences, slight differences in signature, but this more bassy, more typical TFZ. Secret Garden, a slightly more bassy version of the King Pro. They sound similar pero more bassy. Secret Garden. King Pro is the more balanced sound in my ears. It was really nice seeing TFZs here. So hanap pa tayo ng iba na familiar to us. The new Bose 700s, a little bit more expensive than the QC35. This is what I have. Ito yung bago. Let's try it out. And it has a slightly bigger sound stage and a more punchy sound, more fun sound compared to what I have before with the QC35. So this is more of like a consumer-friendly sound. Parang less audiophile sound, but I think it sounds different and better. But of course, I'm gonna find out if I have a copy in the lab. IE80s, mahal. Kind of reminds me of the HD650s. Parang ganun. It's like a warmish, smooth, lush sound. So very Sennheiser, I'd say. UDC. Basta naka-glass. Campfire audio. And you have the Andromedas here. Super mahal. Hey, you have the RTO here. RK01. This is my earphones. Actually, mahal pala siya. That's my earphones there. Audio fly stuff. 64 audio. Dami. Noble sound. Noble sound. Fender. Nice. Of course, Shure 846. 215s. Laki pa nung store. So actually, I go here from time to time. Before, I always usually go to the headphone store. Now, I'm in the earphone part. So yeah, sobrang laki nito. You should go here, guys. Alright, so that's it for our small tour here in Yodobashi Camera. So punta lang kayo Akihabara Station and just walk from there. I always usually go here just to listen to new stuff. There's a lot to see here. You can spend the whole day here just looking at gadgets. So many things to look at, and yeah, just be ready for your wallet. Actually, marami pang super audiophile stuff, but I just went to the other half. Of course, I need the whole day to go to the other half of this one, but yeah, I need to do some stuff now. So that's it for our tour today. Of course, if you learned something, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. May mga nakapunta na ba sa inyo? Have you gone here or not? Let me know also down in the comments below, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye.